If you're experiencing issues with PUBG multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. Sometimes, multiplayer problems are due to server outages. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming device or computer completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system, potentially resolving connectivity issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your PUBG game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game platform Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, etc. and check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 4. Check internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall PUBG from your device and then reinstall it. This can resolve any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the multiplayer feature to malfunction. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the multiplayer issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.